All right, well, today, let's put some daggone sway bars on. So, here, get that dude up in there a little bit and go from there. See how hard it's gonna be. Seen the videos on the front one. Looks like the front one's might be a pain in the ass. Back one looks like it's gonna come right off. But I didn't know, only videos I could find were up to a 12. Nobody had one for the 13, 14, 15, and the sway bar is a little bit different, I think. So, just a tad bit different. Maybe. We'll see. Alright, so after about 30 minutes, I guess, got that. So, now with the old and with the new, that one is, what did I say, 23 millimeters. That was 27 millimeters. This is the EF4 or FE4, EF4, whatever the suspension is, EF or FE. 23 is 23 millimeters, that one, and then the 27 millimeter, that's one of them for the 1LE. And you can see, pull the wheel off. You can see the studs probably sticking up right there. Or you can get from up here too. You can see down in there. The focus. You can get from the top or the bottom. Either way. Maybe you can see them down in there. But anyway, so that was about maybe 30 minutes to do all that. Get that off there. Back's supposed to be a lot easier. We'll find out. Right here, you don't have to jack the car way up in there. That's right there's how I fished it out. Come out that side. This right here, little plastic clip. Same, do the other side too, do both sides. It's like that, but you don't have to jack the car way the hell up in the air or nothing like that. That's it. As far as I jacked it up. So, we got here. That's what and that right there is what you get for buying used parts. But we got a good deal on both of them, front and back. So, you know, I don't think it's gonna hurt nothing. So there it is. So all you need is 18 and what is this? An 8 and 18 for the end links, and then 15 for the nuts on the sway bar bushings. All right, I'll get to the back now. Moving to the back. All right, and the rear. So there's the end link. They get loose. Both sides. Take them bolts out. I got to drop down. I'm about to find out if it's just going to come out real easy or not. But as you can see, I don't have the factory axle back exhaust. A little different. So we'll see. Got to find out. Alright, so old one 24 mil, this one 28 and a half. So they probably just call it 28. But anyway, right there, pull that wheel off, slide it right out there, fish her out there just a little bit. Oh yeah, 15 millimeter. Everything back here is 15 millimeter. Bolts for the bushings, and then the end links, it's all 15 millimeter. You can see. Had that. Okay. Whew. We're back on. Sway bar in. Done. Oh, and FYI, just if anybody's wondering, the end links do tighten up and stop. You know, like some of the older stuff, I guess, you know, you just tighten them until the bushing squishes. Well, these actually stop. There it is. Clearances, good, bam, perfect. That's it. So my helper showed up after I was already done. Say boo. Boo. Well, now it's just time to go test drive it. Alright, small recap. 2 hours. Probably, roughly 2 hours. Any driveway, all that stuff. I did see one video where they said about raising the motor up. You know, they showed them doing it and then unbolting the motor mounts and shit like that. And I was like, God dang, that sounds like a lot of crap. You ain't gotta do that. You seen where it was, how high I had to jack it up and fish it out of there, take the wheel off in the back, jack it up about that high. And yeah, about 2 hours, good to go. Let's take this thing for a test drive. So the other day I made that video on the updates talking about the G meter on the heads-up display. Okay, so you got that. So right there, that's what I'm talking about. That dude. But anyway. So the curve I was testing it on, I was getting about 0.7 G. But I don't know what that's gonna do. I was just going until the tires started squalling, you know, and it was about 50, 52 mile an hour, somewhere around in there. 4 different times from 0.68 to 0.71. So I really don't know if that's gonna be a conclusive, it's gonna work, but I'll have to, this one will probably be uploaded before because I usually hit it on my way home from work. It's on the entrance ramps to the highway. So anyway, yeah, that's what I was talking about. Alright guys, so just from out here riding around the back roads, banging them out, yeah, this thing is definitely a lot flatter. Wow, old lady. Damn, she wanted half my lane too. Yeah, definitely flatter. Going around a curve, just, you know, cruising the back roads here. Yeah. So I'm gonna say, just doing it, because I didn't do the end links or nothing like that. The only thing I've changed from the SS suspension, which is the FE4. It's either F or FE4 suspension. To the 1LE, which is what the FE6, all I've done is put the sway bars on it, and that's it. And I mean, this thing is, it just stays nice and flat. You guys can't really tell from there, but yeah, just doing a sway bar upgrade. Yeah, and I got both in. They were used, $240 shipped to the house. So couldn't really, you know, beat that. Okay, well, I'm gonna give them 2 thumbs up. It yeah, I'd say it works pretty good.